Hi everyone. I have a fold that is so easy but is so gorgeous. This is paper that I have printed with my jelly plate using acrylic paints and metallics, so that's why they're so pretty. If you have just plain paper that's about 6 inches square, that's all you need to make these. To make each coaster, we're making coasters. They look like this when they're folded. They're so beautiful. You just need 2 sheets for each coaster. If you want to make a gift, you would just have 12 sheets to make 6 coasters. So let's get started on the folding. You're going to fold the models exactly the same. This design was created by Tomoku Fusei, the modular origami master. So we're going to fold these in half in one direction. Open it up, turn it, fold it in half in the opposite direction. I'm going to now turn it and I'm going to fold it diagonally in both directions. And turning it, folding it in the opposite direction. Now I'm going to turn it over with the pattern side up. And I'm going to decide which, basically I'm going to fold 2 corners to that center intersection. The center, everything needs to line up. So that means this fold lays on top of that crease and these meet. Okay, like that. Now open it up and you're going to take the left side, the left edge, and bring it down to that first crease and then fold. The other edge on the opposite side, which is the right bottom edge, I'm folding up and to this first crease. Now I'm going to just take that fold, not making a new crease, just folding on the existing crease, and I'm going to do the same with the side, this other side. The next step is I'm going to take this fold that's already a mountain, and I'm just going to close it. It's already folded for me, and you'll see there are 2 diagonal folds here. You were not making any new crease, you're just taking the left one, folding it behind. It's already there, I just have to reinforce it and give it a nice crease. And then this other fold that's already there, the diagonal fold, I'm just folding forward. So now I have this. I'm going to do the second one exactly the same side, the same way. Here I go again, so we can do this again. Fold it in the piece in half, one direction, open. Fold it in half in the opposite direction. Turn it and do diagonal point-to-point folds, or corner to corner. Open and repeat again. Now I will turn it over to the pattern side up and fold the corners to that middle intersection, making sure the creases lay on top of the vertical creases. And unfold. Take the top left corner or the top left edge, fold it to the first crease or the crease you just made, and the opposite, do that on the opposite side, and then just roll it back, fold it back on the existing crease. Now we have a mountain fold here. We just take it, pick it up, fold it, lay it on its side so that this fold is on the right and this long fold is here. We've got 2 diagonal folds, you'll see, and we're just going to take this one on the left goes backwards and the one on the right goes forward. And now we have our 2 models or modules. We will assemble these very easily. All you need to do is you'll see pockets, and these long pieces are the tabs. So we're going to take the tab here, put it in the pocket, and then this one will go into this pocket. And then what we'll do is let's not push it all the way through yet. Let's turn it over and take this tab, place it into the pocket, in that pocket, and this tab goes into this pocket. And now we assemble the pieces very easily. And I just think this is such a beautiful little model. And it's one of the easiest modular folds you'll ever do. Now, what I did was I made 5 more. I made 5 to make a set. And what I do to make it waterproof, since these are going to be a gift set, they're going to be coasters for holding drinks, and this is paper. So how do we make it waterproof? I'll show you. It's a magical product called Microglaze. This is amazing. It actually will. It's a kind of a microcrystalline wax, and you put a little bit on your finger, not a lot, for this, and you can put it on top of the coaster, so that this will make it waterproof, so that if you place a drink on it, it won't fall apart. This you can do, if you notice, the microglaze is not really altering the color of the paper, which is incredible. So that's why I love this product. That can use for sealing any paper projects. Origami makes them water resistant, smudge resistant, and for these coasters, it's perfect. And what you do is you just, after you've placed just a small amount on, you just take a cloth and you can just rub all the excess off, and it kind of will give you a nice shine. There's some acrylic paint on this paper already, but it also, just what's not on there, it will keep this from getting ruined by liquids. I want to tell you a little bit about this paper. This paper is called PURE origami paper. It's a lot thicker than standard origami paper. It comes in these gorgeous solid colors, which are the colors you're seeing here without the print on it. You can get that paper through Yasutomo, at retailers through Yasutomo. It's a beautiful, beautiful paper, and I just want you to know it makes these great. It's great for modular folding. It's very sturdy, and it's fabulous. The colors, you get 100 colors, 100 sheets, 100 colors. So now I've sealed it. I've got these other ones sealed, and then what I do just to finalize it, to make my gift, I'm going to take a little bit of string, just some twine, and I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to just decide which one I want to be that's the hardest part. Oh, which one do I want to be the top showing? And which one do I want to show in the back? There we go. So there it is. I like that. So I'm going to just take it and wrap it. And this takes a little, just any ribbon or string that you may have, and just tie it around it. And once you get everything tied, you don't have to add any glue or tape. Just kind of orient it so that it's nice, and everything is stacked on top of each other nicely. And then I'm just going to tie a little tiny bow. I could actually just do a knot, a simple knot, or a bow, but I think just something kind of simple would be nice. And I also have some little die-cut leaves that I want to show you. I made those out of the same paper. There we go, just simple like that. And then what I'm going to do is just cut these little ends off, because I think that the paper is in itself really something. So I made these out of the same PURE paper. I just put it through a little die-cut machine, and these are just gorgeous little embellishments. I'm just going to slide it under like this. Maybe I could just slide it under, maybe just to secure it, so that the receiver can use these leaves also for something. I don't want to ruin it. So you can see I just kind of did it like that, and now I have this really beautiful gift that I'm going to give. So here's one here that I made out of scrapbook paper. The 6-inch blocks of scrapbook paper, I wrapped it, and it's secured with a knot. But on this one, I'm just going to slide it. I think I want to just slide it through, maybe slide one more little leaf right through it, or one more. Here we go. This is strong because this paper is really much stronger than standard origami paper. So there, I've got it kind of centered a little farther down there, like that. So there it is. You could make several of these, give them away as gifts, or if you have someone a housewarming gift, or use them for yourself, and they're just gorgeous. I hope you enjoy this, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for more projects like this. Cheers, everyone.